Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you on how to extract text from PDFs, and thanks to Adobe for inventing the PDFs. So extracting text from PDF can be super easy, at the same time be super hard. So but it depends on what you are extracting from the PDF. But today we'll be demonstrating on how to do it. So a super easy way, but if you have a complicated way you want to extract the text, you can maybe comment on the video below. So these are just be showing some general simple steps on how to extract the whole text from the PDF. So without further wasting time, we are going to use the PyPDF tool. It's a module, the Python module that helps deal with PDFs things. So we are going to install this using Anaconda. You can copy paste, type in here and copy paste on your Anaconda, or just type in your Anaconda pip install pypdf2 and ensure why is the lowercase and the rest of the letters or the characters are uppercase. So pip install pypdf2, then click enter to install and give it 1 minute or two for it to complete the installation. So as it continues to install, there are so many things you can do with the PyPDF. You can just search it from your Google search using your web browser. You can see the PyPDF too. And again, to get more information of the PyPDF too, you can go to documentation and you can just find the documentation of the information about the PyPDF2 on what you can do more about using the module itself when working with PDFs. So let's see whether the installation was done. Yeah, mine reads requirement already satisfied because I had already installed the module. So head to our text editor to do the business of today. So first thing first, what we always do in Python is importing the module we are going to use, PyPDF2. That's the first thing. So the second thing we are going to do is to create the PDF file object. We're going to open the PDF we are going to use. This is the PDF we are going to use. Maybe I can show you the information in it. Yeah, this is the information in my PDF. It's a 2 pages PDF. So open the PDF itself. PDF is equals to open, pass in the name cprog.pdf, and we are opening this in, we are reading this in binary mode, read binary. So the second thing, we are going to create a PDF reader. This one will help us on reading the PDF itself. So you can just name it PDF reader. Yeah, is equals to PyPDF. Now we are going to use the module itself, PyPDF dot. Now we get the function for reading the PDF from there, PyPDF2 module. So PDF file file reader. Then we pass the PDF, the PDF we open, so that we can read it. And ensure the uppercase and small, uppercase and lowercase on the letters or characters are in the words are as it is. So the next thing, you can maybe get the PDF pages. Let's see whether it prints to print the PDF. To get the PDF number of pages, you use the reader PDF reader dot number pages. So that, let's run and see whether it gives us the pages print. Now we we're going to use the file name, then paste Python file name, then run. It's supposed to give us 2. As you can see, it reads 2. So those are the number of pages. So now the topic of today, we are going to extract text from the PDF. So to read a PDF text, the PDF text on page 1, this is referred to as 0. When you refer to extract text from page 1 and you refer to it as 1, it's not going to print the page number 1, it's going to print the page number 2. So if you have to read the page number 1, we are going to pass in 0. So we are going to get the function from the reader, from the PyPDF itself. We're going to get the function to extract the text. So we are going to use the reader itself to get the page of the reader. It's the PDF we opened. Now we read the PDF. Now we are going to extract the page from the PDF we just read. So let's head to that page. Page is equals to PDF reader dot get page, then pass. You want to get page number, you can say page number 1, so we pass 0. So then we extract text. Text is equals to page dot extract text. So let's print the text. You can run that. Yeah, this is the page number 1 text. Let's see from the PDF itself that that's true. You can see the first line needs assignment 3, the last line needs testing. Some images will be provided. So let's see, assignment 3, the first line, the last line is testing. Some images will be provided, and that's how on to extract the text from the PDF. If you want to extract every PDF, every page text, you can just use the for loop. For I in range, then use this number of pages as the range. So I reads 0. So that's the obvious thing for a loop in any of the programming language. It reads from 0. So you're going just to use this. Then you indent so that for every page it reads, it prints the text. Let's say that. And again, after opening the PDF, you're supposed to close it. It's recommendable. But of course, after reading the program, that's it, automatically it closes the file. But it's recommended after reading, you close the file. So let's run and see whether it prints on there. So we are supposed to pass I here. Then let's run. Yeah, you can see correct outputs is the rest of the PDF, and that's all reading extracting text from the PDF. So if you have any question regarding extracting text from the PDF, as I just said, you can ask it in the comment section below. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.